Good morning, students. Yesterday I have explained exercise of the chapter 2. I hope you will be done in your classwork copy. Today I am going to explain question answer of this chapter. You watch your video very carefully, then you note down in your work in classwork copy. Okay, I am starting chapter 2, nutrition in animals. My topic is question answer. Okay, first question is, what are villi? What is their function and location? The answer is the finger like projections in the inner wall of the small intestine is called villi. This is the answer of what are the villi. What is their function and location? These are found in the small intestine. This is the location of the villi, and the villi increases the surface area for absorption of the digested food. This is the function of villi. Clear? Okay, what are the villi? The finger-like projections in the inner wall of the small intestine is called villi. These are found in small intestine. This is the location of the villi. The villi increases the surface area for absorption of the digested food. This is the function of villi. In the question, it is asking what are the villi? What is their function and location? Clear? Now come to next question. Where is the bile produced? Which components of the food does it helps to digest? Bile is produced in liver. All of you know very well. I have explained this. It is stored in sac called gallbladder. This bile juice, which is produced in liver by the liver, it is stored in sac-like structure called gallbladder. It helps in the digestion of fats. Clear? Where is the bile produced? Bile is produced in liver. And which component of the food does it helps to digest? ये किस component को digest करने में help करता है? तो it is stored in sac called gallbladder. It helps in the digestion of fats. ये fats को digest करने में हम help करता है. All of you clear? Once again, I explain it. Bile is produced in liver. It is stored in sac called gallbladder. This sac is known as gallbladder. It helps in the digestion of fats. Clear? Now come to the next question. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. उस कार्बोहाइड्रेट का नाम बताइए जो रूमिनेंट तो डाइजेस्ट कर लेते हैं लेकिन ह्यूमंस नहीं. सेल्यूलोज is the carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants. Ruminants have large sac-like structure between the small and large intestine. The cellulose of the food is digested by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in humans. Okay, so humans cannot digest it. Clear? I am explaining again. Cellulose is the carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants. In our question, name the type of carbohydrate. उस carbohydrate का नाम क्या है? Cellulose. Cellulose is the carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants. How ruminants digest it? Ruminants have large sac-like structure between the small intestine and a large intestine. The cellulose of the food is digested by the action of certain bacteria, which are not, these bacteria are not present in human, and this portion is not present in the human, so human cannot digest it. Clear? All of you clear these question, answer of these questions? It's okay. Thank you.